Okay, lesson 2. Let's take that Phrygian, Dorian, and natural minor, and let's put them to the Joe Satriani test here. Okay, we'll be using an open A string as a drone note. There's our Phrygian. There's our natural minor. There's our Dorian. Okay, so you want to get used to just going back and forth. Back and forth over and over between those three modes. They're so similar to each other. You can really come up with some pretty cool stuff. And when you're soloing, even though a song may primarily be, let's say, in natural minor, that's not to say you can't throw a Phrygian riff right in the middle of it, okay? Especially if you've got just some riff-based A minor pentatonic thing, you are wide open to throw in that Phrygian riff in one measure, go straight pentatonic on the next measure, go Dorian in the next. You're free to mix and match that way. The same situation where when we're basically in a lot of rock music, as you probably know, we're playing bar chords, but we're only strumming the first couple strings if we want to play heavier rock. And so we are not defining major or minor. Well, in the same sense, if you're playing a riff that's based on, let's say, an A minor pentatonic riff, you're not really necessarily defining all the notes other than the root note, the fifth, stuff like that. You can then start playing around with these modes and fitting them in there like that, all right? Now, if you were to be playing an A minor pentatonic riff and try to fit a major type riff over the top of it, it might not fit as well, but Dorian, Phrygian, natural minor, you can fit those right in there, okay? And so you can fool around with them a lot. Go ahead, have some fun with that. Try mixing it up. Try throwing that Phrygian stuff in at the next blues jam. It's really exotic sounding. You don't want to overdo it. People will really give you a funny look, but if you just throw in a couple riffs like that, people will really notice. It's pretty cool. All right? Have fun with that stuff.